What's going on, everybody? So I got a long-awaited package in the mail, and inside is a blank phone case. And you may be wondering what I'm doing with a blank white phone case. Well, continue to watch the video and you're probably going to find out. Also, something I got in the mail a couple days ago is this beautiful piece of Clara walnut burl. And I'm going to be using this in my project today. So stick around. Alright, so I got my strips cut out with the bandsaw, and I think this is actually going to look sick. So I'm gonna do is make like a little river, something like that there. Fill it with black, red, and white resin since I have a red phone, so it should match it.
Bruh.
So once the epoxy hardened, I had what I thought was a brilliant idea, and was to hot glue this piece onto a thicker piece of stock so I wouldn't have to run my planer at such a low thickness. This ended up actually working for the first couple of passes, But then after that, it actually shot out the back piece and chipped it off and hit my hand. Luckily, it didn't hurt too bad and I'm all right, but this was not a great idea and don't do this. Sadly, I didn't get the part where it chipped out on video, but this is where a machine like a drum sander would come in handy, and I'm definitely planning to invest in one of those sometime soon. Well, we got it kind of looking somewhat nice. So I think I'm gonna get it sanded up pretty smooth. And then we're gonna go ahead and use some 5-minute epoxy just for some extra grip. We're gonna slap this sucker on here and put some wipe on polyurethane finish. So let's go. Alright everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. As you can see, my buddy Bentley here approves of my work and the phone case. So I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but there's a couple things I would change. If I had like a drum sander or a nice bandsaw with a fence, I definitely could have made the back more like a thin veneer instead of trying to sand it down as flat as I possibly could. But I still do kind of like the texture and the 3D look I have with the resin kind of inlaid down into the wood. This will definitely be a project I'm going to try again in the future, maybe when I get some better tools or a new phone because I'll need a new case. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and if you did, consider subscribing and liking the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.